Yes, sir.
Well, the fastest cars in Trinidad have what? It's 2JZ.
Yamaha!
Hey, I had to stop cussing. I had to find a next one thing.
Channel. Frick.
What the hell?
Frick.
What the hell? I can't.
Fornication. What the fornication?
The words don't even want to come out of my mouth. Jesus.
And that
Cut.
here with my partner Javier, also known as the 2JZ boss. We're here to review the soarer. And look at it. Look at it. Kryptonite.
Bro, is a full 2J setup.
Right.
Stock bottom end.
Right.
On the head we have some Croa 264 cams.
Right.
ARP studs.
Okay, one inside the head, boy.
That is all we do.
Nice.
We're putting some cams and some stuff because 2J they just have some leading problems when you start to go up in power.
Right.
So you put
right.
some cams and put some ARP head studs.
Right.
We increase the size of these
Clean
points there.
right. The man was real methodical. I see you have a Koyo rod with a Mishimoto cap.
That's
something wrong.
Nah.
Intrinsically something.
You see.
This is the equivalent of buying KFC fries and putting Royal Castle pepper sauce on
But
it.
you are
We're not
Castle
sponsored by
mix.
KFC and Royal Castle earlier. We're not sponsored. However, seeing that we mentioned earlier, if all they want to sponsor a 10-piece, today Sunday we hungry.
Trying to regularize the place here, you know.
Red gills. Red curly hair gills. If all they're watching this, let me do right. So we might ask you a stupid question. This car come with a 2J or is that conversion?
No, it came with a 1UZ FE.
A 1UZ?
1UZ.
Deviate?
Deviate.
What happened?
No, I wanted to go fast. I didn't want to walk taxi, so that is why I'm going to 2J.
Where do you want to use these? Wait.
That's so long time. Long time.
But you know, 2J aside, we know what the 2J capable of.
Yeah.
Fellas, only don't quote me on that. You know my stuff, right? How long you have this inside it?
This could be about a year and something.
A year and something?
Yeah, a couple of R154 Toyota gearbox.
Ooh!
Yeah, it's a nice,
Big boy
it's
thing.
a nice setup. It's a nice setup.
I know I run, you already.
Oh god, let me talk about that.
Body to go, tell me about the turbo.
Right, this turbo right now, before I went into, well, as all you know, I retail in Pulsar turbos right now too.
Right.
Right, but before I went into that, I had to do this setup. It was when we had run it was in our garage GTX 5576 Gen 2.
Right.
But I wanted a little more response and I changed up the whole idea for the car. I wanted to try the drifting.
Right.
So I went with the Borg 257.
Right.
To get a little more response.
A Borg?
Yeah, it's a Borg 257. It's nice, it's a perfect drift setup for the car.
Right.
The turbo very responsive, the come online very hard.
Right.
So I'm really happy with where the car is right now.
Good.
Right.
Which discipline you align yourself more to?
Honestly, I more stick with the drugs.
Drugs. Tell me
Yeah.
why that is. You know, we have a lot of hot boys down here. There's guy S-chassis, they'll get Laurel, they'll get something rear wheel drive, and all they want to do is drift. I know why I choose drag. Right?
For me, it's just a passion. It's more calling for me with the drugs. I just appreciate it more than any other sport. I had tried circuit real nice. I'm not saying I was never going to circuit. I'll probably go later on, but for right now it's drugs. It's drugs.
Right, let me throw a curveball at you. Some fellas they say drift and more skill.
It does.
It doesn't.
Drugs is just a straight, you know.
But we see
With
now,
drift now,
camera.
aside from your doing circles and whatever, I teaching you how to control the vehicle. God forbid you spin out on the nation road.
Right.
You know how to counter steer.
Yeah, hey, hello. We don't do nothing on the Nation Road, on Mr. Rowley Road with the speed trap and the demerit system. We don't do nothing on the People Road. Where we just
Correct is
go?
right.
Mexico.
Mexico is right.
Talk to me about the fuel system.
Alright, the fuel system, I think, well, not a thing. There's a Bosch 044 in the back.
Right.
Couple we have in front, we have 6 ID 1050X injectors.
I think that is 450 LPH. Not, yeah?
Why not?
Yeah, 450 LPH. You do anything to electrical because I know when you put a
Electrical now, we went on a full ECU master block management.
Who you get from?
Vishal Aditi is who I got the management from. All work on the car was done by my mechanic, who is Brian Bagwanda, some convenience motorsport. He did everything mechanical, wiring management, air condition, welding, everything on the car.
Right.
So it's a one-stop shop. The man is a one-stop shop. I have to big him up, Brian. Without you, this would not be possible for us. I really appreciate everything you do.
Brian, here what you could do, right? You could put a reverse camera, right? And anytime you see a C30 training back, you just cut power.
I'm definitely think about it. That's something on the
The man selling his car, I don't want no negative comments, eh? Right? All the fellas who just want to pull in people thing and say, oh God, thing. If you do not understand the concept of what this is, if you don't understand what a 2JZ is, nobody does. But you know, I do. If you don't understand that concept, leave it alone. When you man puppy thing for sale, leave it alone. You understand? If you're interested, you know what this is for, and you're genuinely interested, then come and say, boy, COVID, no. Right?
But,
because when you said any B14, we don't do that. Anyway.
But on the side too, if it doesn't sell when the first half of this year, I have some more plans with the car.
Right.
I wasn't going to talk about it, but as we're doing the interview, we don't plan to put we're doing it a lot on the outside. We're doing it to DCT transmission on the car. If I don't sell the car in the first half of this year,
What?
full BMW DCT we're going to do.
Hey.
To DCT.
I need nitrous for it.
You need more than that.
I need nitrous.
I saw spare 2J, I'll give you.
Suspension. Talk to me about suspension.
Suspension is on stock Cusco coilovers.
Stock Cusco coilovers. Foreign news or brand new?
Foreign use.
Foreign news. Who you get it from? Do you remember?
No, I can't remember. Brian had put it through.
And how you find it riding?
Rest, you go ahead now, man.
I could ride it.
Start it up on your cheap one, man.
We need to do something that has never been done before in this world, in this country. And this is a RV man appreciating a JT man thing. Let some oil reach up in the head. Let me fix the seat. Give me a second. Hey, well, you gotta come and see this dash. Come and see this dash. Where's this? Haltech IC7, nothing. IC7, just get a soarer dash and done. Who is this? And it's 3D and holograph. What if? I can't cuss on this channel, so we have to use another appropriate word. What the fudge? Hey. Hey. Alright, let me get some exhaust note. Here with the 2JZ man himself, Mr. Habir, and he was gracious enough to give me a little ride along. There's a funny situation to be in. RV man in a JZ man car.
Yeah, welcome on the greener side of the grass, man.
But, we will try to be objective as possible. I mean, the man making a decent amount of power, 400 horsepower to the wheels.
Yeah, that's on wastegate, the car dyno at 460 on
460 the man saying.
460, but wastegate is 400 horsepower.
Right? You understand this? It's a postman's dream to achieve something with about 400 horsepower. Habir doing about 460. If we use the lower averages, he is closer to 500 horsepower than most people. So we will use that figure moving forward. 500 horsepower, 2JZ. I don't want to hear nothing because if only measure horsepower, the crank is 500 plus. Correct?
Yeah, IBHP,
Correct. So, in Queen's English, we have 500 horsepower 2JZ. Eh? Well, only can't feel that, boy. That put back in your chest, your lungs and your heart on top of one another, and they're mixing and they don't know what to do. Nice boost, nice power. That is a 3 liter straight 6. We in an abandoned road and it's straight. What we could do? What we could do? Yes! Yes, boy! That's what we're talking about. Yes! Get up, boy! Hey! That's what we're talking about. What are you telling yourself, boy, ladies and gentlemen, boy? That was vicious.
is a vicious acceleration. That felt like money. Last time I was smiling, so I was next to Kuli, I think. Yeah, sir. I go call she name. Next thing you know, she see this.
Sarah.
Oi! No, boy! Your partner Chevron get into here. Your partner Chevron is getting to you. Yeah! Only didn't feel that. I cannot explain. This is euphoria, ladies and gentlemen. Yes! It feels good. The power delivery is on point. Boost coming on very, very strong at about 4,000 RPM. After that is total flipping madness. This guy is set up beautifully. The coilover is doing a good job. It's a hyperdrive machine. When you dip the clutch and you hit the accelerator, it's a spaceship here. It's just go. This is out of the Jetsons. You know that little noise of this snake?
Yeah.
That's what this is.
Nice girl. Nice.
What kind of clutch you have in here?
Is that ACT? ACT heavy duty.
Okay.
You can take a drive back if you want to know.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking because that's not something they ask now.
Oh.
Personal knowledge. First 2G experience, eh?
Yeah, nice.
It's real nice. I like it.
I have a question for you. Where's 22 divided by 2?
I'm gonna write it down for you.
Write it down now, man. Write it down, man. What I do here? I do something wrong? I was smelling bad. I'll change my color. You can see it. You can smell it. A little more again, I can taste it. Number of the day is 11. This is Nafis on behalf of Octane Addicts TT, and I just want to express my gratitude to Mr. Habir. Thanks for coming out. You know, showing my time, showing my what Jay-Z this like. I appreciate it a lot. Taking a real nice platform. I love how the car's stable, boy. That power delivery after 4,000 RPM it is. It feels like a stick, boy. Right? Yes.
Very easy to handle.
Very easy to handle. Correct. Right. And as everybody know, Habir have a treasure chest twice, and hopefully one day we will investify the rest of them.
Stay tuned to some more.
Stay tuned, fellas. Stay tuned. Chase the way. What excuse? Light it up.